The morning sun, still low on the horizon, cast long shadows across the harbor, making the boats moored there appear like sleeping giants. From the front gate of the Laneway House, a linear view, framed by the home's long, rectangular form, stretched out to meet the shimmering water. The owners, a family who had yearned for a permanent escape from the everyday, had finally found it here, in a house designed not just for living, but for experiencing. It was a place where every day felt like a vacation, a true testament to the vision of Jim Buda Architects. Stepping through the gate felt like an invitation into a world where design and nature existed in perfect harmony. To the left, a utility room housed the quiet hum of 2 Tesla Powerwalls. These weren't just batteries, they were the heart of the home, storing energy captured by the 59 solar panels that blanketed the roof. This commitment to sustainability was woven into the very fabric of the house, a non-negotiable for the owners who wanted their home to be as good to the planet as it was to them. Beyond the utility room, the ground floor unfolded, revealing a guest bathroom and a cozy media room, a sanctuary for quiet movie nights. As you continued down the main corridor, a breathtaking scene came into focus. The dining, kitchen, and informal living areas were framed by expansive glass, offering a direct line of sight to the backyard and the inviting glimmer of the pool. But it was when the doors slid open to the rear deck that the true magic happened. The world expanded, and the harbor vistas, which had been a tantalizing backdrop, now took center stage, their beauty amplified by the salty air and the gentle lapping of the water. This connection to the outdoors was the very essence of the architect's design. Given a loose brief that simply asked for a home that responded to its natural surroundings, Jim Buda Architects had been given the creative freedom to truly push the boundaries. They had to contend with a long, narrow plot, a challenge that could have easily stifled the views and limited the light. Instead, they had used it to their advantage, orienting the house to maximize both the harbor views and the precious northern solar exposure. The journey upward was just as intentional as the one on the ground floor. A staircase, a sleek, modern line, ran alongside a 6-meter-high glass wall, creating a sense of drama and light. It felt like an ascent, a transition from the communal, earthbound spaces to the private, sky-facing sanctuaries above. As you climbed, the texture of the materials became more apparent, the rough honesty of brick, the warmth of timber, the cool smoothness of off-form concrete. Each element was a deliberate choice, selected to add a textural component that would change with the light, telling a different story as the day progressed. The top floor was a haven of rest. 4 additional bedrooms and 3 bathrooms were spaced along a corridor that culminated in the main suite. This was the ultimate retreat. The room itself was a study in serenity, but it was the views that truly stole the show, a panoramic sweep of the harbor that greeted the owners each morning. A walk-in wardrobe, meticulously designed with the same fluted cabinetry and select timber veneer used in the kitchen, completed the space, a final touch of luxury that made the suite feel like a 5-star hotel. Downstairs, in the kitchen, black quartzite benchtops shimmered under the recessed lighting, a stark and elegant contrast to the rich wood and textured brickwork. The kitchen was more than just a place to prepare meals. It was the heart of the home, a space for gathering and connection, where conversations flowed as easily as the light from the large windows. The attention to detail, from the fluted cabinetry to the strategic placement of a small island, showed a deep understanding of how a family truly lives. Beyond the aesthetics, the home was a quiet marvel of engineering. The Tesla Powerwalls, installed with ease by a certified professional, worked silently in the background, a sustainable engine driving the entire residence. The owners could even monitor their energy usage on an app, a tangible connection to the power of the sun. This digital integration was not an afterthought, it was a core part of the design, a modern convenience that aligned with their values. This was a home built with a profound sense of purpose. It was a collaboration of dreams, a shared vision between the architect, the clients, and the builders. Every material, every line, every window was placed with intention. The cascading plants from the garage rooftop softened the building's profile, making it feel like it had grown organically from the landscape rather than being placed upon it. The Laneway House wasn't just a building, it was a living, breathing entity. As the day waned and the sun began its descent, the house took on a new glow. The interior lights cast a warm, inviting hue onto the deck, and the sound of laughter echoed out across the water. The owners, sitting on their deck, watching the city lights begin to flicker on in the distance, felt a profound sense of peace. They had asked for a place that felt like a permanent vacation, and Jim Buda Architects had delivered a home that was a joy to live in, a perfect fusion of beauty, sustainability, and unparalleled comfort. And that's a wrap on our tour of the Laneway House. We hope you enjoyed this look at a home that truly redefines modern living. From its incredible sustainable design, powered by Tesla Powerwalls and solar panels, to the beautiful harbor views and a perfect blend of texture and light, this house is a masterclass in architectural harmony. If you were inspired by this video, let us know in the comments what your favorite feature was. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tours of incredible homes. See you in the next one.